friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. I appreciate you watching my video. Today I'm going to do this really pretty, like ocean inspired nails. It's a little different than my beach nails, and I really like these ones. I think they're really pretty. And I don't know how, but some mylar just got stuck on my nail there. It's not supposed to be there. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I achieve this look. So as usual, I have buffed and primed my nails. I put some base coat on, and I also put a coat of white. And this is really easy. All you need is like a really dark blue ocean color and a teal and a white, of course. And then you're going to need a ombre brush, and that's it. It's really easy. So the way I achieve this look is, so after you've gotten this far and you've buffed and put a layer of base coat on, you're going to put a coat of white, and then you're going to paint the tips of your nails this blue color, and you want it to be like a rich, dark royal blue. So you don't want to paint more than like a third, and you definitely don't need to be precise with this. We're just painting the tips. Doesn't have to be like an even line or anything. So after you've done that, then you're going to take your teal and you're going to paint the top, or up by your cuticle. So you're going to paint that, and you're going to leave a space. In between. And again, it doesn't have to be even, but you know what? Actually, I'm going to put a little bit more blue on some spots. So you want it to look about that, like that. There's no right or wrong here, though. So you want to get an ombre brush at this point, and it helps if you have an alcohol wipe already, so you can, in between, wipe your or clean your brush. And all we're going to do is ombre. So we're going to take our brush and go back and forth really lightly, and we're kind of blending here. And we're only going to do the middle, and it doesn't have to be perfect. So you just want it to be like so. And we're going to do that to all the nails. Oops. And I'm being a little too heavy-handed here. I want to be a little lighter. Should only be using the very tips of your brush. Okay, so this is what you want it to turn out like a bit. Probably better than I've done. But once you got to this point here, you are just going to cure that. So this is what we're looking like right now. And once you get to this point, you're actually going to put a top coat on. And that's just so if we mess up, we don't have to worry about this far. And it's okay if, like, you can kind of see some of my streak marks there. That's alright. It's quite alright. And I'm just using this Candy Lovers. I don't know about it yet, whether I like it or not. It's just what I have open at the moment. But it doesn't say whether it is no wipe or not. So I am actually not sure. Okay, I just actually touched one of my other hand that I did first, and I can confirm this is definitely not a no wipe top coat. So there's that. Okay, so once you get to this point, you're going to take some blooming gel, and you're going to want to do this one finger at a time, just because you have kind of a small window for this to work. And by that, I mean you don't want to wait too long. Your design might, might not want the design to be what it ends up to be if you did one finger and then by the time you got to here, it might turn out to be all a white blob for all you know. So once we got that finger on you want to make sure that you have it even, that you have it on all the sides, and you're going to take a very small amount of just white, and you're going to very lightly make some lines in it. Now, this is kind of like the waves of the ocean, obviously. So you can see it's starting to work. And as it's working, you can kind of add to it. This is what I like to do because it's not instantaneous. I'll come in with some harsher lines and then wait for that to kind of bleed a little bit, I guess. Lack of a better word. And if you need more, you can add more. But this is quite artistic. So there's no right or wrong. It's just however you look and see you want more of the white. Now you see how I just made these two lines there? See how more pronounced they are? Because the blooming gel's already kind of worked. So that's why it's good. And that's why I like to do it in layers. Like so. And once you're happy with it, then pop it in under the lamp. Okay, I think I'm happy with it there. So this doesn't really need a full cure at this point because we're doing each finger individually and it's going to be in and out of that lamp. Well, my nail stand is anyways because they're all attached. And once that's out of the lamp, then we're going to move on to the next one. And it's the same technique for every nail. Ooh, now that was really a lot on there. So that's really going to move. So I'm just going to wait and watch what it does. It's quite fun to watch, see how it changes. Alright, I think my audio just died there, so see how much that's moved there. So I'm going to put, oh my gosh, this one's dead too. I'm going to continue on. Same thing, blooming gel, a little bit of paint or polish on our brush. And then a little bit of polish. Blooming gel. I'm loving the blooming gel. I love to go in after it's bloomed like that and then put on your darker color so I just think it gives a great effect. And we're almost done. Okay, friends, we're all done. What do you guys think? I think they turned out pretty. These are like my Stormy ocean nails. So pretty. I'm in love with them. And I did pick out charms at one point to put on them. I was going to put some glittery, what do you call these? Starfish? I was going to, but I think they look really nice, just plain like this. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. And if you liked it, go ahead and like it. And if you like this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That would be so nice. And I hope you give these nails a try. They were pretty simple, and I'm actually going to leave this video to be true to time. I'm not going to speed it up, just to show you how quick they actually are to do. Now, of course, I started out the nails with the base coat and the white coat already on here, and I didn't film the top coat, but besides for that, it will be pretty accurate, except for lamp time, of course. It'll be pretty accurate of how long these nails take to make, and I think they're pretty nice. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Okay, well, until the next video, bye!